Gulf. So that's right off of the Gulf there over Texas. We got a 40% chance of tropical development over the next 2 days, a 50% chance of tropical development over this next week. Now, regardless whether we see a named storm or not, this is going to pack a really big punch over towards Texas, Louisiana, as well as Mississippi. But if we are able to reach tropical storm status, remember that first name on the list is going to be Arthur. We've not had a named storm yet. Arthur is going to be the first name on the list. So we'll be watching that. But we have this area of low pressure. This is a look at some of the high-res satellite model data here, where you can see that low pressure system spinning just a little farther out to the southwest around Mexico. And it's dumping a lot of heavy rain already across the coastline, anywhere from Texas to Louisiana. We're seeing flash flood warnings and already that really heavy rainfall. In the next couple of days, a very dangerous situation is unfolding farther out down. Again, those similar areas where you're seeing that moderate level 3 out of 5 risk for excessive rainfall. We don't often see these type of colors being highlighted. We know how bad that flooding can get in areas around Texas to Louisiana. And over the next 3 days at least, they are looking at some very risky conditions as that low pressure sets up and brings that really heavy rainfall. So around the Gulf and heading in towards those inland spots of Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi, you're looking anywhere from 5 to 10 inches of rainfall within that 7-day period. So can watch the possibility of, catastrophic flash flooding for some of those areas that have that highest precipitation. What does that mean for us? Over the next 7 days, we will be watching for the effects of this low pressure system, but I'm expecting anywhere from 2, possibly 4 inches of rainfall here in our neck of the woods. So let's dig into some of your current conditions and what else you can expect as we head through the rest of this week. Now, of course, rain is in our forecast later on this week, but right now things are staying nice and dry in our neck of the woods of Chattanooga and just overall the Tennessee Valley. So it is a beautiful day, and the good news is I'm expecting it to stay dry and nice for at least a couple more days with lower humidity levels. Taking a look at some of our short-term models here, we do have a few little scattered showers possible a little farther down to the south of our viewing area, but I'm not expecting widespread rain heading into tonight or leading into tomorrow. Taking a bigger look at that big picture heading into the rest of this week, starting on Thursday, we're going to get the chance for some of that rainfall as that low pressure system starts to set up. And again, we're going to be seeing whether we see Arthur or not. Either way, again, you can see heavy rainfall towards the Gulf over south of Texas and over there by Louisiana and Mississippi, depending where this low pressure system sets up. We're going to have the stationary front a little farther to the north, and we could have some very slow moving storms with very heavy torrential rainfall, and that could cause some serious issues for us too, with isolated areas of flash flooding. So we're going to be watching for that. Again, that's going to be your Thursday into your Friday time frame for us. So enjoy a couple more days where we don't have to worry about rainfall and storms, but then after that, you'll want to stay weather aware. We get a respite from that humidity for a couple days before that green slowly just surges back into our area and covers all of us all the way up towards the Midwest, starting to see more of that humidity rolling in. So for all the latest on the tropics and what we can expect here in our local viewing area, be sure to download the Local 3 Weather app. You can scan the QR code or look up Local 3 Weather on the App Store. You can turn those notifications on so you get those storm alerts, and it can track you wherever you go if you go ahead and toggle that on in the settings. But heading into the next 7 days, so today, make use of this beautiful weather. Tomorrow is going to be a great day as well. Slowly heating up heading into your Wednesday, a wetter pattern with the possibility of some flash flooding heading into your Thursday and Friday if that low pressure system sets up far enough to the north where we get some of that rainfall. Good news, we look like